Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. So you are requested to stay with me till an end without skip. Oh, before going to start, I have a request. Please subscribe the channel by click the button if you didn't subscribe yet. And thank you all who have already subscribed. Hello traders. Uh, Welcome to my channel. Today I'll play some trade. Though this is a late night, but I'll try compound strategy. I'll place 3 or 4 trade. Depend on market behavior. Let's analyze. This is an uptrend and momentum is down. Uh, okay. Let's close this candle. I'll start with $20. Today target is 3 trade. If I got good candle, then I'll place 4. Okay, here you can see some buyer's entry. Okay, I have placed higher option because uh, after this movement, see, if you observe this candle got force, then this candle, but this candle has buyer entries, and a very small candle again. This candle is smaller than this candle, and this is a bullish candle, though like a doji kind of candle. But this means that a buyer are interested, sellers are losing his interest to place trade. That's what that every candle is getting weaker than the previous candle, so I place higher option. Okay, let's wait for this result. Okay, I have on this trade of, okay, I'll place trade with some marginal safety. I supposed to place higher option here, but due to actually force buyer force, the candle already. Okay, I'll place trade on next candle if this not come to here. Okay, okay, let's wait to close this candle, or I can check that pair if I can. Okay, this is also same situation. Okay, but here is a rejection from buyer. Let me check any level is there or not. This is actual level. Okay, I'll place trade here. Okay, okay, I'm going to place lower option because I saw on level this is actual level where market supposed to come. So let me wait for this result. Okay, suddenly buyer entered. I'm hoping that candle will reject by seller and will close here. Let me close the candle, still 15 seconds. Okay. Don't place your trade when you are not confident. Okay. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, let me check. 45, 26, 45, 61. Okay. Okay. Let me close this candle. Or if I see any pair. Okay, this is also. is buyer entry, sellers area in this candle. So there is 50-50 chance to buyers or sellers. That's what I will skip this candle because see, this was a sellers area where try to sellers dominate the market, but here again buyers enter, and if we observe this candle has sellers and buyers both entry are there, and this is very strong candle. So in this area strong candle actually it's not 100% sure trade, either buy or sell, so better to leave it. Okay, okay, I'll place trade here on the next candle. Okay, let me close this candle. Okay, I'm going to place higher option. I'll place here higher option with some marginal safety. Oh shit. Okay, 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 I have placed higher option because I can see that this is an uptrend and market supposed to come at least to this level, but before hitting this level there could be a retrace candle in this area. So that's what I was waiting for actually some marginal safety, and I wanted to place trade little lower, but uh, anyway I have placed already. So let me close this candle. Okay, okay, so I have on this trade. Okay, so I already fill my target, 3 trade on. So already I have started with $20, and I have earned 60 and 40, so $107. So I think this is enough, but I'll try with one more trade if I got good candle. Otherwise I'll leave it. 61, 40, 106, 106. Okay. Okay. I have placed higher option again. Let me check. Let me check that candle to close. Okay. Still 15 seconds. Close this candle. Oh, sorry, 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, I think candle will give me a winning trade. Let me finish this candle. Okay, I have won this trade also. So total, it's supposed to place 3 trade, but I have placed 4 trade because I got confirmation on this candle because this strong momentum. This candle there has a 50-50 chance, but when I saw there is still bullish momentum, and next level is here. That's what I have placed another trade. So with $20 I have made about 185, 185. So I think this is enough for me for today. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you satisfied with the video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Your support can inspire me to make more video to help you all. Thank you.